How to delete a Cash App account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how we can delete a Cash App account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete a Cash App account, open up Cash App. Tap the profile icon located at the top right, scroll down to the support tab and then tap on it. Once you go to support, then just tap on account and settings. Under account and settings, just look for the option here known as close your Cash App account and tap on it. Then once you tap on close your Cash App account, just tap the confirm button over here to confirm the changes and close your Cash App account. This way you will be able to delete a Cash App account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.